puntong ito, Jolly, silipin muna natin ang ating Manghuan Pinoy Play of the Half. Starting dito, Mark Macapagal and Anjo Karam. 100% galing ng Pinoy mula sa Manghuan. Packed with sarap ng Pinoy. And just like that, it is Meralco ahead, 32-31. As you join us back inside the USEP gym in Davao. T.Y. Tang responding to the call of acting coach Kaloy Garcia. Hurrying that jumper to give Rain or Shine back the lead, 33-32.
Only the second field goal of Rain or Shine in this quarter. Much needed field goal galing dito kay T.Y. Tang, kanyang jumper.
On the defensive end, they step it up this time. Lee with a steal. Kinyahan over to Charan. Kinyahan looking for Almazan. Play broken up. Ray Guevara will push it hard para dito sa Bolts. Guevara feeding Hugnatan. And Meralco is back up by 1.
Always a threat in the open court. Ray Guevara, kaya magko-collapse talaga mga defenders sa kanya. Meanwhile, nice. Ang ganda ng pagka-locate kay Raynel.
Oh, bukas na bukas. Yung depensa ng Meralco doon. T.Y. Time, pwede mo sabihing nakaulaya.
Oo nga, partner. Napakamot si Coach Norman Black sa pangyayari. Simply, hindi pa pwede. Too big of a gap. Talagang aatakin ni T.Y. Tang yun.
Coach Norman Black, who just also recently celebrated a birthday. Hindi na natin sasabihin kung ilang taon siya.
He would appreciate that.
Lee on the attack. Trying to squeeze one through. Ball is snapped by Hodge. Macapagal in the front court has chance to contend with. Diubra on the pull-up three.
That's a little bit of a heat check para dito kay Mark Macapagal. Talagang he's feeling it. So kahit na isang dribble, he'll just take it. Ano? He has the confidence na.
Uiloan now waiting at the scorer's table to see his first taste of action. Kinyahan to Chan dito sa kanan. Hugnatan switches out. Kinyahan has got Macapagal. Hugnatan recovers. Kinyahan shoots over. Mintis pa rin yan.
Kind of a tough shot para sa big man coming off the dribble. Actually, dalawang dribble bago tinira yung jump shot. J.R. Kinyahan, so short na short yun.
Hugnatan kontra. Uli ni J.R. Kinyahan yan.
Standing his ground, the much heavier J.R. Kinyahan. Kahit pinangga ni Reynel Hugnatan sana for separation, andyan pa rin siya at nakakuha ng block itong si J.R.
Laking bagay nun, ano? Hindi mo naman i-dip yung shoulder mo eh. Gagamitin mo lang yung bigat mo to create that separation. Timeout muna dito para sa Meralco. They find themselves down by just 1.